We have an update for Ryder DiFrancesco, and sadly, it does not sound like it's very good. Now, if you remember this from middle of last week, Sean Murphy, the Gas factory racing team manager, said, "I am gutted that we share the news of Ryder D's practice crash at RD Field yesterday. Ryder was immediately transported to the hospital where he was evaluated for his injuries." That was the thing that stuck to me. It said injuries. In just his second year of Supercross racing, Ryder had been showing incredible potential, blah, 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 taken to the hospital, and whatever. We will update as we know more. Now, we know more, sadly. And this is from the Vital post-race show saying, quote, elbow, ribs, potentially sternum, intestine damage, as it sounds like multiple broken vertebrae, and some of them are in the C area, like the neck. Sounds like I know he's, as of yesterday, he's still in the hospital, and I believe from what I heard, he will be there through early part of next week, which is not good. I mean, if you're talking broken vertebrae, intestine damage, sternum break. Like he must have had an absolute crushing crash. And it sucks. As far as I know, this is a contract year for him. Not that that really matters in the long run of being healthy and, you know, healing. But he was having a really good year. First two rounds going 4 or 5, and he was looking good. And then it's one of those, I always say, and it doesn't matter when you crash, but practice crashes are the absolute worst. It's not racing for anything. You're not on the track going for bonus money or competition points or, racing against people. You're on a practice track racing a stopwatch or who knows, not maybe not even doing full motos. You're just doing parts of a track or whatever it is. But it really sucks. I mean, that really sucks, and that does not sound like a very good uh, prognosis. I mean, if he's, I guess you can take it two ways. The fact that the sort of update you have some injuries and he's going to be in the hospital for a while could mean that he's already on the mend a little bit. They've stabilized it all, but it's just when you have that much like that big of a list. I mean, that's a whole body injury too. If you're going from arms, ribs, sternum, vertebrae, intestines, that's a really hard hit. And it's one of those things that who knows? I mean, at some point, maybe they'll come out with what happened. I highly doubt it with how this sport is run and how injuries are, I don't want to say reported because that would mean somebody was talked to about them, which does not happen. That's what I'm trying to get to the point of here. Injuries in this sport are hidden away, downplayed. We're not going to say anything about it, whatever, and it sucks. You want to be on top of or tracking what's going on with these guys. You're fans of these people, and on a lesser side, yes, there are fantasy and sports betting in this sport now. Those are big parts of things. That's not really the main point of this. You just want everyone to be healthy and, you know, racing, doing what they enjoy. But if you have that kind of injury list and he's going to be in the hospital for over a week, it doesn't sound great. Uh, Knock on wood, it's not horrible. It's just maybe some, this does not sound good, but maybe just some cracked vertebrae and, a long, long healing process, but nothing horrible. I mean, you look at um, what's the guy's name from Marina Cross who has 4 or 5 of them fused together and sometimes loses feeling in his left side. Hopefully, it's not that bad. Um, but it doesn't sound like he's coming back anytime soon. I mean, especially with back injuries, vertebrae injuries, you're gonna have a long healing process and a long time just to feel like before you get the doctors okay. That's a very dangerous thing to push. But I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you like A1, A2, San Diego? What do you think of this? If you heard anything, if you know more than I do, comment down below. Tell me, or just DM me. I don't know. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.